Farm, and today I'm in the kitchen and I'm making what we call Gigi burgers. And what it actually is, it's just sloppy joes, but it's from scratch. If you watched my video on Nana's chicken spaghetti, you got introduced to Gigi as the chicken spaghetti was originally Gigi's recipe. This is a simple sloppy joe recipe. I know a lot of people just buy sloppy joe seasoning in packets or manwich in a can, but if you don't have those things and you can't get out to the store to get it, this is an easy way to make sloppy joe. 1 to 1.5 pounds of hamburger, and you're going to need to brown that. If you're feeding more than 6, I would say you probably should bump it up to 2 pounds and double the recipe. You're going to need to add 1 small diced onion. And you want to cook that while the meat is browning so the onion will get soft. Your salt and pepper you just want to do to taste. I just do a few shakes usually. If you want to be more precise, you probably need 1/8 to 1/4 of a teaspoon of each. You're going to need a 1/2 cup of ketchup. If you're out of ketchup, you could substitute tomato sauce, but you're going to have to add some garlic powder, onion powder, probably a little bit of paprika, and more salt and pepper to bring up the spices so it would be equivalent to a ketchup sort of situation. Mix that all in. You're going to need 1/4 cup beef stock. I use beef bouillon powder. I always use the powder, not the cubes. So I've already mixed up a cup of it, and I am going to add 1/4 cup of beef stock to my skillet. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. You need 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. That all up. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You're going to need a dash of cayenne or red pepper, which is approximately an 1/8 of a teaspoon. Mix that all up together. Put that on low heat and cover it, and I'm going to let it simmer for about 20 minutes. And there we have it. It's all done, and it's looking pretty yummy. And I hope you try this recipe, and I hope you like it, because I know Gigi would be more than happy to know that you liked her sloppy joe recipe. So this has been Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm, and thank you for joining us for this quick recipe. Bye.